A couple weeks ago, I took a short ride down to the eastern side of the Sierras, and I'm going to share it with you right after this. So we decided to take a short ride, just 2 days, down the eastern side, or other side of the Sierra, coming over Sonora Pass and going south. We spent the first night at Alabama Hills, which you can see is absolutely gorgeous, and it's at the just on the other side of Mount Whitney, which I believe is the tallest mountain in the contiguous United States. Anyway, we found a spot to stay that evening. I didn't even use a tent. The weather was perfect. We looked up at the stars. It was absolutely beautiful. The next morning we got up, headed out of there, and headed back out towards the Mojave Desert in search of the Reward Mine. Now, getting to the Reward Mine is a little challenging. It's a lot of rocks, and you guys know when you're shooting video for motorcycles, you can never really see how steep it is. Once we got up to the top, it was about a little over 100 degrees, and then right inside the tunnel was like a nice cool 68 degrees. So we decided to take our jackets off and ride through the tunnel and cool down a little bit. And it just felt like you were on a ride at Disneyland. It was absolutely amazing. There's a couple places here where I made a couple turns and thought to myself, this is where I become a statistic and get lost and can't find my way back out. So I quit making turns, backtracked, and headed back out of the mine.
Get me out of here! Now, stay out of trouble, will you?
So we got out of the mine, headed back downhill, and back north on 395, back up to the Sonora Pass, so we could get back to where we live. And it was just an amazing ride with some buddies. We got to see a lot of cool things on this trip, and I will never forget riding through that mine. I think that was a once-in-a-lifetime opportunity, and I was glad I was able to do it. You guys should definitely check that out. Till next time, I'll see you guys later, and please hit like and subscribe.
This is what happens when the rider runs out of talent and strength and the trail doesn't run out of obstacles. It's not really that big a deal. It just weighs about 600 pounds.